Hi everyone, Cherie here. Today I'm going to create another spread in my Life Crafted album using the Citrus Twist Kits Weekender kit, and I'm working on the back of my previous spread. So I've got these two cards here to use if I want to. I could change them out, but I'm actually thinking I really like these two with this paper. So I've got one photo. I love this photo. It makes me laugh so much. Maddie made these paper eyelashes and it just absolutely made me laugh this particular day. I'm going to scrap about that. So I'm thinking I'll have the photo on that side. I'm going to trim this paper down, and I really love that this card matches this paper. This one already had some stitching on it from on the other side, and it just happened to sort of go across where that made my day wording is. So I'm thinking I'm even just going to leave it like that. I do like this journaling card with this paper as well. It does have some stitching on it, so I've gone ahead and used the digital version, typed up some journaling on it, and I'm going to cut this out and slip it in there as well. It has printed out a little bit darker than the original, but I'm totally fine with that. So I'm thinking that's what I'm going to put there. And then I've got one of the cut apart labels that I'm thinking I'll put underneath, maybe with a little title on there, maybe a bit of stamping. I've got the gorgeous puffy stickers here to use for the title, and I've got a few of the die cuts here as well, which I really love this flower, so I'm hoping to use that one. I do have some of the chipboard stickers here as well, so I think I'll make a start and get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to start off by adding this little details die cut tab to the top of my journaling card, and I'm going to also add a little puffy heart sticker to that floral card, and that's all those two cards need. So working on the full size page now, and I'm going to stamp onto that label. This is going to be my title for this spread. So I've got this stamp that says Time for Fun on my clear block, and I'm going to add that to the bottom half of the label. That's stamped up really nicely. So next I'm going to grab those puffy alphabet stickers, and I'm going to add LOL to this label, and I realized I only had one L left in my pack, so I'm just going to use a capital E and trim off two of those lines so that it looks like an L, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. So I'm just playing around with the positioning, making sure I get the spacing nice and even with these letters. Okay, alright, so let's grab that background page again, and I'm going to go ahead and stick down my photo. It's going roughly there, and then I can stick that label down underneath. Okay, so I want to add a phrase across the bottom of the photo. This one says no filter required. So I'm going to stick that across that white section of the photo, and I've also included that flower. And just to pop the flower up off the background a little bit, I've added a foam dot in behind there. So now I'm actually going to grab my sewing machine and add stitching all around each of these cards, and I'll show you very shortly a close-up of each of those. I've just added a chipboard sticker to the top of the photo there in that same minty colour, and one more little puffy heart finishing off that page. And to finish off the whole spread, all I need to do is add the date, which I'm going to position just at the bottom of the journaling card there. So I'll give you a close look at those details. You can see stitching at the top of this card and the date at the bottom there. The stitching on this card was already there, it came through from the other side of this card. All I did was added that puffy sticker, and this one you can see I had a stitched border. There's some stitching across that no filter needed phrase and across that label as well. So now these bits and pieces can get added into my Life Crafted album. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how this spread came together today using the Citrus Twist Kits Weekender kit for March 2020. I've really enjoyed creating with this kit, and I can't wait to bring you some more projects using the new kit next month. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.